Press the power button for 3 to 5 seconds to turn on or off the device. How to do a QR sale transaction? Enter the amount. A dynamic QR code appears on the display. Scan and pay using any UPI app. Instant sound and display alert confirms the payment. How to do a card sale transaction via tap? Enter the amount. The customer can tap their card on the NFC interface. A security PIN may be requested, depending on card settings. Instant sound and display alert confirms the payment. How to do a card sale transaction via dip? Enter the amount. Insert the card into the side slot. Request the customer to enter their card security PIN. Instant sound and display alert confirms the payment. You can also have static QR for convenience.